to my overhead wires here. Okay, and so again, same thing. We have the line settings set up here up front. You can define it, the layer, the color, etc. For this one, I'll go move right into the extraction piece. So all I have to do here is define a start point. And what I want to do is just grab this pole as a start point. I'll grab this pole as the end point. An important note here is that you don't necessarily have to have a pole to do this. I could grab this point right here where this wire is ending, and the extraction will still work sufficiently. Next up, I have to select my lines that I want extracted. So I'll go ahead and select these two. There is no limitation on this too. So if you have some high tension lines with 8 to 10 lines, you can extract them all. And as you can see, this box shows up here. You can do a search length where you can define from this middle pick how many meters it goes left and right. And then you can also define the search width. So if you have lines that are running in parallel to each other that are really close, you can kind of slim this down so the algorithm doesn't pick up the other line in its extraction. I'm going to tune this down just a little bit. And once I'm happy with this extraction settings, again, I can hit enter or extract and let it run and do its thing. And you can see it in real time as it builds out a purple or pink vectorized line going from start to end. And there we have it. If this does stop, we do provide you additional options here as well. So we have the continue straight option. This option's good for sometimes there's data that's sparse right up against the pole. Basically, you can tell the algorithm to just continue straight to the end point. We also enable you to select the next point, which is a really handy tool if data is sparse in between the power line. You can go ahead and grab the next point somewhere else and just continue the algorithm from there. So there you have it.